ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ 3 ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ?
ಬಂದವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಂತಂತೆ. ಪಾಪ ಇನ್ನೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬೇಕಾ?
ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ನೋಡು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡು, ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ರೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಕಣ,
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ತರ
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸುವಾಸ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳು, ನೀನು ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೂಪರ್, ಫೇಸೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ.
ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ.
Looking okay?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Good. That's all good.
Nervousness, butterflies ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, if it was a different guy then yeah. Same guy, why?
I'll start from the time they got committed. They called at the midnight and they told I said yes for him.
The first time they met was in Mantri Mall. I was with them. I took Shashank and I went there. So it was just a brief 5-minute conversation. Hi, hello. And that's all. We came back from there.
And now they are here. They are getting married. Already they are engaged now.
ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
What memory we have? Drinking memory we have. But you can't tell all that on camera, right?
It's already rolling, man. Like,
Oh shit.
us drinking at your house and then him getting caught the same evening.
Yeah, he got caught by his father.
ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ? ನೀನು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದ?
ಅವನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸಿರೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ತನಗಿಂತ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸಿರೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಸ್ಟೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಮೋಟ್, fighting for TV and sitting together.
When he was 3 years, 2-3 years probably, my grandmother would keep a red big bindi. He would put it all over his face. Fair and Lovely, he would press and make a full mess. He was a very, very naughty boy and he's naughty even now. He hasn't changed much. Bartane, na maneg bartini. He knows I'll be waiting to hug him. Bartane, maneg band takshna, bagal tagad takshna. He never comes and hugs me. He pushes me away all the time and goes and hugs my kids. And he'll always make me cry and make me feel he didn't hug me. And later he'll come and hug me. Bad boy.
Funniest moment with Prerna is us trying to stop her from eating adke.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
She's addicted to beetle nuts. There are many other things, but if
Yeah,
you start describing everything, it will take a long day.
Exactly.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮಗಳು?
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ.
So the most wholesome memory of me and Shashank is our trip to Ladakh. So it was a 10-day trip. We spent around 5 to 6 days without phone, without social life, only with the nature and bikes. What was yours?
Goa, bro. Oh, the first vacation as a group. One of the most wholesome vacation with Shashank, especially with all the boys as well.
And then once I remember, Shashank was like, we'll go for a ride to Chitradurga. I'm like, okay, fine, I don't mind. So we both went, and it was Prerna's birthday that time. So we went, we wished her when we came back.
Oh, we went to her house.
Yeah, we went to her house and we wished her and we gave her a gift, I guess. I forgot what it was. They truly have been through a lot actually.
I know they are very jolly, lovely couple. When it comes to Shashank, I will team up with him. We start roasting her. Third wheeling person in between them, and the way they Shashank cares her, and even the way Prerna respects him, precious thing I have ever seen about them.
He's more of a son rather than a brother. He's full of laughter and joy. We have had good times
When I got married to Suneha, Shashank was only 8th standard. He was a high school kid. Now he is getting married. Very happy for him.
Shank had two of us, me and my sister, to take care of. Like, he used to take care of us like to the core, like to the core. And he has another girl to take care for now.
He takes care of my kids very well. He's a wonderful mama and a very good brother of mine.
ಏನಂದರೂನು ಹಾಗೆ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರಳಿಟ್ಟು ಎಣಿಸೋಣ ತಾರೇನಾ ಮೋಹಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಕಲಿಸೋಣ ಭಾಷೆನಾ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲವಾ ಊರಿಸಲೇ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆನಪನು ನೀನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಮನಸಲೇ ಉಳಿದ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಸಾಲು ಹೇಳಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಗಂಗಾನಾಗಬೇಡ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿಂದೆ
He's getting engaged. So happy for him that he wished for something and he's getting it.
After my marriage, he's grown up so much. Now I see him getting married with Prerna. I wish them life very happy together.
They both make a very super couple.
He and Prerna have a very wonderful life together. Let them travel the world. Let them be happy. Let them grow as a family.
Congrats, Chunky.
Congratulations, Chunky. All the best, Prerna. He'll be taking care of you very well. The seal is stamped. The way he took care of Kavin, Viha, Viara, he loves his family to the core. And even Prerna, you got a very good family to enter. Welcome to our family.
Be like this forever, happily, jolly.
Wishing them a lifelong, tenure of happiness.
All the best, Chang. All the best, Prerna.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
All the best.
సమయమా భలే సాయం చేసావమ్మా ఒట్టుగా ఒట్టుగా కనులకే తన రూపాన్నందించావే గుట్టుగా ఓ ఇది సరిపోదా
సరే సరే త్వరపడకో తదుపరి కథ ఎటుకో ఎటు మరి తన నడకో చివరికి ఎవరెనకో
సమయమా భలే సాయం చేసావమ్మా ఒట్టుగా ఒట్టుగా కనులకే తన రూపాన్నందించావే గుట్టుగా తను ఎవరే నడిచే తారా తళుకుల ధారా తను చూస్తుంటే రాదే నిద్దురా పలికే ఏరా కులుకే ఔరా అలలై పొంగే అందం అది తన పేరా ఆకాశాన్నే తాగేసిందే తన కన్నుల్లో నీలం చూపుల్లోనే ఏదో ఇంద్రజాలం బంగారు వానల్లో నిండా ముంచే కాలం చూస్తామనుకోలేదే నాలాంటోళ్ళం భూగోళాన్నే తిప్పేసే ఆ బుంగమూతి వైనం చూపిస్తుందే తనలో ఇంకో కోణం చంగావి చంపల్లో చంగుమంటూ మౌనం చూస్తూ చూస్తూ తీస్తూ ఉందే ప్రాణం తను చేరిన ప్రతి చోటిలా చాలా చిత్రంగున్నదే తనతో ఇలా ప్రతి జ్ఞాపకం ఛాయాచిత్రం అయినదే
సరే సరే త్వరపడకో తదుపరి కథ ఎటుకో ఎటు మరి తన నడకో చివరికి ఎవరెనకో
సమయమా
సరే
సాయం చేసావమ్మా ఒట్టుగా
తదుపరి కథ ఎటుకో
కనులకే
ఎటు మరి తన నడకో
రూపాన్నందించావే గుట్టుగా
చివరికి ఎవరెనకో
ఓ ఇది సరిపోదా
Prerna, I'm not happy with this.
Yeah, exactly. I always thought it would be the three of us, bro.
Exactly. You stole our. So basically, Shashank is the Allen of our wolf pack.
We are the three best friends that anybody could have.
So he was supposed to get married the last, but yes, unfortunately, or I don't know,
Acha,
fortunately,
full
he got
cheating
married
only,
the
bro.
first.
Full cheating.
So Alan, you're not a part of the wolf pack anymore.
Kick him out of Three Musketeers.
I swear.